Are you tired of individually following everyone you already follow on Instagram on the Threads app? In this short tutorial, you'll learn a quick and efficient way to add all your Instagram following on Threads at once. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Threads app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Threads profile, tap over here. After that, tap following at the very top. And then tap where it says see all. And now you will be able to see a list of people that you follow on Instagram but not on the Threads app. You can follow someone specific by tapping on the follow button next to that person, or if you want to follow all of them at once, simply tap follow all at the bottom center. And tap OK to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.